Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy, and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hi Judy. I am back. I went to the coffee shop, but now I want to make coffee at home. It is cheaper, right?
Oh, definitely, John. Making coffee at home is a great way to save money. Do you have a coffee machine?
I have a simple one, but I don't know the difference between the drinks. For example, how do I make an Americano?
An Americano is very easy. First, you make an espresso that's the strong black coffee. Then you add a lot of hot water. That's it.
Oh, so it's just espresso plus water. What about a latte? I love the milk in it.
For a latte, you need steamed milk. You heat the milk until it is hot and has a little bit of foam on top. You pour the milk into your espresso.
I also heard about cappuccino. Is it the same as a latte?
Close, but not the same. A cappuccino has much more foam. It feels like a cloud in your mouth. Some people like to put chocolate powder on top too.
A cloud. I like that. What if I don't have a machine? My friend uses a glass bottle and a paper filter.
That is a pour-over coffee. You put the coffee grounds into the filter. Then you pour hot water slowly. It takes about 3 minutes.
It sounds like slow magic. And if I want a vanilla latte or a caramel latte?
You just add 1 or 2 spoons of syrup into the cup before you pour the milk. It's very simple.
Okay, I need to buy some things. I need coffee beans, a grinder to make the powder, and maybe some sugar.
Don't forget the filter paper if you do a pour-over. And remember, fresh beans always taste better.
Thanks, Judy. I'm going to the supermarket now to buy a grinder. I want to smell the fresh coffee at home.
That sounds wonderful, John. Enjoy your home cafe.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.